my name is Du.
And I'm in the last year of my architecture degree at QUT.
I'm an architecture student at QUT.
So before QUT, I already had a degree in business. However, I had always wanted to do architecture because my parents and my brothers are all architects in Vietnam.
My research shows that QUT is one of the best universities teaching architecture.
After graduating from another university here in Brisbane, I immediately enrolled in Bachelor of Design, Architecture at QUT.
They have a well-balanced program combining both theory and practice. QUT also has a long history of teaching architecture and excellent graduate outcomes.
As I was living in Brisbane, I knew that QUT has a reputation of university for the real world.
The best thing about my course is new design thinking. I find it interesting spending more time to do research about my design and record the process. It gives me more ideas.
The best thing about my study program is that with my study, I have the opportunity to work on diversity of projects ranging from residential to commercial.
Another great thing about QUT design courses is good facilities. We have 24 hours computer lab with all the latest softwares. The design workshop has laser cutting machines, 3D printers, and all other equipment supporting me to build my design models.
The learning style at QUT is a combination of theory and practice. We learn the conceptual thinking combined with practical interaction with real clients and real construction projects. So throughout my study, I also have the opportunity to participate in many networking events. I am also a part of SONA's mentoring program, where I learn all aspects about the industry from liquid blue architecture firm. The most surprising thing about Brisbane is its fast-paced growth over the past few years. More cool shops, restaurants, hotels, and places were opened, making the city more vibrant and interesting.
I think being a student is one of the most awesome experiences.
So with the experience that I have with QUT in my 3 years of study, I would encourage everyone to choose QUT as a top choice list of universities for its practicality in learning and world-class technologies.
So QUT gives me the best student experience.
I am grateful to be part of QUT in my learning pathway and the opportunities that it brought to fulfill my dream in the future.